Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on the application of eBay. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about eBay app and you click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here in this page of app info, when you click on first stop you will go to storage, and after that you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your